If you ever want to put dynamic content into your proposal based on your client's name or their address or their email address, shortcodes are a great way to do this. In this video, I'd like to outline the different shortcodes that we offer with Smart Pricing Table. How I'll do this is we'll look at this cover page because it already has a lot of them in there. So if I click on Edit Section, you'll see the shortcode icon right here. Now we've grouped it into 5 different categories that show you the different shortcodes that we have available. I'll start with your company. So this is your company that you're sending the proposal from. You can do name, website, or byline. The byline is kind of like a tagline, and that can be adjusted under your settings. Okay, for proposal/project, you can say the name of your proposal, the date it was created. You can also do a view scoping table button and a payment schedule. So here's an example where I have the proposal name. Here I have the proposal date where it was created. And then I have the view scope table button. If I close this, you see here's the button, automatically puts the date, automatically puts the name. Okay, next we have proposal creator. So there's a full name, email address, phone number, and title. And the point of this is, specifically down for this section where you want to put the information of whoever created the proposal. And so you see I have the name, position, the company name, the creator's email and phone, and then the company website. All of this is filled out automatically based on who created the proposal. This is really nice for when you have 2-3 salespeople using the same templates. You don't need to customize that every single time. All right, client recipient. So for whoever you're sending this to, you can get their business name, their business address, their business address multi-line, and then their website or web page, depending on which one you provided. Let me show you the difference between business address and business address multi-line. Do that right here. And then on the next line, I'll do the multi-line version. You can see I have a single line and then a multi-line. And this is valuable because a lot of times in agreements, you'll want to have the shortcode on a single line, but maybe on a cover page, you might want to have it multi-line so it looks a little bit nicer. Just to note, you can change the business name for your recipient here and their website. You can also change the address under advanced. When you create a new proposal, it'll actually ask you for a lot of this: their name, business address, website, the contact's name, and their email. It's important to note you don't have to use all these shortcodes, and you don't even have to fill these out if you're not using those particular shortcodes. All right, what else do we got here? So finally, under contact person, this includes their full name and their given name. A lot of times that'll just be their first name, and then an email address. So you could put, down here, I could put under the contact's name, I could put contact email address. And it'll automatically add their email with a hot link on it. Last thing I'll note is that under your scope of work, shortcodes work in line items as well. They work in these sections over here, your terms, about us, wherever, and they also work under line items. So I can click on this kickoff call, and I could say schedule and conduct Zoom kickoff call with, and then I could put the name of the company. So this would be the client recipient business name. And now it says schedule and conduct Zoom kickoff call with ABC company. So all those same shortcodes are available in the line items as well. And that's a quick overview of the shortcodes.